Okay, good morning, everyone. Just thought I'd do a short broadcast on the assignment for today, which is the UN Convention on the Rights of a Child. I'm just here in Google Classroom, and you see here that this is the Grade 6 Religion Lutheran group. All you got to do is click on New Assignment, Convention on Rights of the Child. And then the instructions here is using Google Docs or slides. Click on the link below and state what you believe are the top 10 rights of the child. Write down what each of these are. Okay, so you click on the link and click on your account. And then what you'll see is a one-page attachment. And all you got to do is, if you're on a small phone like this, I do it on some people I know are just using smartphones. So I made it, if it looks smaller on your computer screen, that's why. Just going to zoom into some here. So these are a list of all the what we call articles, which are the kind of rules or rights, and there are 42 in total. And this is for those who've missed a lesson. It says everyone under 18 has the rights in this convention. I'll just use my pen tool here as well, see if it works. So the first one is government should make these rights available to children, so they should explain them to all children. So this is why it's part of our curriculum. We're just picking out some of them that are here. Children have the right to be legally registered, name and nationality. They also have the right to know their parents, and as far as possible to be cared for by them. Okay, so you do have a right to know that. Some people maybe in an orphanage or something may have difficulty with that. Children should not be separated from their parents unless it's for their own good. So in case of child abuse, that sort of thing. For example, if a parent is mistreating or neglecting a child, children whose parents have separated have the right to stay in contact with both parents unless this might harm the child. Okay, so there's often a lot of disputes when couples separate, but these are your rights. You can ask to meet both parents, despite what one parent might say. So governments should take steps to stop children being taken out of their country illegally. It does happen in some countries around the world, not the westernized countries that Finland and Britain and USA, but maybe in third world countries where it's difficult to regulate. Okay, I'm just going to flip across to a few others. So if they have any disability, they have the right to receive special care and support. So the government must invest in providing special care and support for them. Children who are looked after by their local authority rather than their parents should have their situation reviewed regularly. Okay, so these are what really children can read and what children's lawyers can read in terms of what their rights are. And you can quote this in a court of law. It's important you're familiar with these. So the way I've approached this in terms of an assignment is to say, you basically just need to pick 10 of these articles, the top 10 you think are the most important, and put them in Google Docs or Google Slides if you like colorful stuff. Okay, and then just submit that to me via Google Classroom. Okay, so I put the title like United Nations Convention on Rights of the Child, and then just list your top 10 rights. And that is it, really. Make sure you've got your Corona essay done, and make sure it's overdue now. You've done your Lutheran essay as well. Okay. Thank you very much for that, and drop me a question if you need. Okay. I'll just turn this off now. Thank you.